In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chart color in TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do at the very bottom right, you can see there's like that menu, and then above that, there's kind of a cogwheel settings button. Now, it's actually at the bottom right of the chart, just below the prices over there on the right, and you want to tap on that. There we go. When you tap on it, it's going to open up a menu. You want to go to the bottom, and then at the very bottom, it's going to say More Settings. Now, you want to tap on More Settings. And then in here, top left, you want to tap on that arrow back. And from here, you want to tap on Canvas from inside this menu, which is the fourth option in the middle. When you tap on that here, it's going to say background, and this is where you can basically change the chart color. So I'm going to just tap on the color here, and I'm going to make it green, for example. And you can, of course, do solid or gradient, completely up to you. And then you can set your grid lines over here, so we can go and basically set different colors here as well. I'm just going to tap on something random, and of course, that's going to also set your grid lines. And then here you have the crosshair. You could also change the color of your crosshair if you want to. You can change a bunch of different things here and basically completely customize your chart colors. And then you can go and just basically tap on the OK button bottom right. And as you can see, my chart has now been changed. Now, this is looking a bit crazy. Of course, you can customize it however you want, but that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.